Shampoo killed in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. Police are proving the murder of a man in Barbary Hall, Southwest St. Elizabeth on Monday night. Police has named the deceased as 34-year-old Sanjay Foster, otherwise called Shampoo, a mechanic and a resident of Williamsfield District, Southwest St. Elizabeth. A police report said that at about 9:30 p.m., Foster was at a shop in the area when gunmen pounced from the side of the building and fired one shot, hitting Foster. The injured man was transported to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Unconfirmed reports suggest that hours later, another man was shot and injured at a party in Vineyard District near Black River. It is unclear if the incidents are related. Links 7 TV will continue to track this story and provide you more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.